There's been some brand new information that has just come out from the Veracity team. So in today's video, we're going to go and check it out. But before we get into that, make sure all of you guys just smash that like button, turn on post notifications, drop me a sub. Let's get into it. This is lagging because I said 22 days yesterday. I definitely said 22 days. So it's 21 days until the Bitcoin halve and Bitcoin at $70,000. Guys, it is heating up for many of our altcoins. And a lot of the altcoins that are getting unjustified FUD are starting to see the bull market. Now, VRA released this like 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, and the devil works hard, but Lex Money works harder. So I thought I would quickly give you guys all an update of what exactly it is. We're not going to read the whole Medium article because, again, the retention rate would not be that high. So we're going to go look at some key points of what they did state, and then you guys can let me know what you think of the update. Now you can see here our development update, including our plans for a dual token ecosystem and POV migration, including the most likely layer 1 ecosystem is now available to read on X or Medium. Let's do it on X because CBA with Medium articles, even though it's the same info, I feel like it's just easier to read on Twitter. Now go and follow the VRA team and follow me while you're at it as well. But VRA development update. We've been working hard behind the scenes to build an entirely new ecosystem for Veracity. In regarding to tokenomics, as we mentioned in our latest development update, we're building a new infrastructure and testing new processes. Therefore, we will be changing and depreciating old information and deploying new token information and other supporting documentation such as token disclaimers and tokenomics articles. So more of that to come. Now, POV, proof of view, migration and tokenomics news. The POV token is progressing at a pace in line with our roadmap schedule for Q2 2024. Like we discussed in previous videos, guys, we said it was going to be around Q2. We are testing shortlisted blockchain environments. However, the most likely blockchain contender for POV token migrations is Tron or TRX due to its consistently low fees, ease of development, recognition in the market, global accessibility and interoperability with other chains. And if you don't know about using different chains, guys, then get to know because you're in crypto and we're in the thick of it right now. If you haven't used Tron or you've never heard of Tron, guys, start testing out the network. Tron is always super fast, super cheap. I always send my USD to and from accounts using Tron, so that's not too bad. Firstly, we reiterate that the POV will be a standalone token on a completely separate contract to VRA to power its full range of features as an operational token and ascribe value to the services it powers in our ecosystem. POV will become tradable on secondary markets in an entirely separate manner to existing VRA. We have carefully planned dual token features, reward mechanisms, and token economics to ensure the POV's tradability does not reduce the functionality or demand for VRA as a token. And I know that's what a lot of you guys are going to start to say, oh, well, do we buy VRA anymore? It's going to go to zero because POV, right? No, that's not the case. So we're going to have to hold both, guys. Now, they believe that POV will enhance and create new opportunities for the VRA ecosystem, as well as increasing the rate at which VRA can be burned. This includes incentives for holding VRA, such as fee reductions in the POV ecosystem, governance, dual token staking, and more, and retaining all of VRA's original utility, such as funding, advertising campaigns, and use in the ecosystem. Once again, POV tokens will be separate to VRA. It is not counted in the VRA supply. It is not going to be inflationary, guys. It's not going to inflate VRA's token supply, okay? They've designed the proof of view ecosystem to accommodate the current and future anticipated demand for the network and video services. This includes the launch of new distributed content delivery network or CDN powered by POV, the introduction of distributed computing capabilities to power machine learning algorithms trained to detect fraud, basically AI fraud detectors, deployment of decentralized clients that store proof of view data from advertising campaigns, a POV marketplace where partnering services and applications can use POV as an immutable storage solution and a single source of truth. Therefore, the proof of view now has a direct value distribution system embedded. And I'll open the ad stack performance there as well, guys, but you can go and you can check out VRA. And if you want to read everything properly in detail, go and check out the Medium article, then you can do that. But it looks like the POV token is coming very soon. Do you think this is going to be bullish or bearish for VRA? Personally, I think there's going to be a lot of mixed opinions now. Some people are going to be super emotional saying, well, why am I going to hold VRA anymore? Because they don't read these articles, right? I'll be holding VRA, I'll be holding the POV tokens as well when we can get our hands on them. Now, guys, I want to remind you that VRA is still super undervalued, okay? This is like a It's not even $100 million market cap. What's the market cap right now? Okay, so we're just at $100 million market cap. We're up and down, right? So we're sitting at $100 million market cap, and this has the potential to be a multi-billion dollar project. And remember all the fun that we was getting with ICP, guys, okay? It is not a question of how, but when. And I do believe that VRA will shut up a lot of people, guys. And there were so many people fudding out coins just because they were low and because they were laggers in the market. They get out and then they buy back in at a higher price. Is that going to be you for VRA? And before we do get into our chart, guys, go and check this out. VRA, very bullish, creating an R&S flip, creating a higher low, and we're actually holding that support here that we just flipped, guys. So we've been trading down here for a long time. Nobody wanted to know. They probably bought into this pump and they're selling into this dump, and then we're going to be selling into this pump that is to come with 1.9 and 3 cents as one of our short-term targets, guys. All right, I wanted to get this earlier, man. This was like still under a cent a minute ago. Okay, guys, I gave this to the Patreon about 2 weeks ago, I think. So again, if you're not part of the private community, go and check that out. We have so many portfolios, so many positions and trades that we are super up on right now. But 3 things that I'm looking for VRA. Number 1, we need to hold this low here, guys. We need to hold this low. Number 2, we need to break this high, not this high, not this high, this high here for continuation. If we just break one of these highs, it doesn't indicate that we're going to have continuation in the move. And then number 3, once we do break this high, we need to confirm this as support. Once we confirm this as support, guys, where are we going? We're going to Pump City, and Pump City starts at around 1.5 cents all the way up to 3 cents like we just saw on the other chart. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at in the short term for the price of VRA, because I know a lot of you guys, you don't want to hear what my end of correction targets are. You want to know what's the next pump, when are we going to be pumping, and to get specific, guys, we're going to be pumping by April. Either pumping, we could have a dump as well. Anything is possible in crypto. But from this chart, guys, the story that is telling me is that around April, with all of the news that's going to come out for the POV tokens, everyone's saying that it was inflationary and then now it becomes deflationary. Again, with machine learning systems coming into the POV ecosystem as well, guys, it's kind of a no-brainer, and you're starting to see a lot of the coins follow suit when it does come to like machine learning and integrating that into their platform however they can. But right now, we're just playing out this part of accumulation, and I text all my friends today and I say, guys, I'm buying more VRA today. I'm going to get my bag up. I'm going to fill my bag up to the max, and now I can just leave VRA. Don't worry about it, and then we can move on to something else. So again, if you haven't filled your bags, just fill your bags, and then you can move on to the next one. You can remove emotion from the market as well, guys, because once you've got your bags packed and you know what the end goal is, you don't need to be stressing over, oh, I haven't bought enough, oh, I bought too much, because your bags are packed and then you've got your target. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of the news. I know some of you are going to be saying that this is bearish, some of you are going to be saying it's bullish. All comments are welcome. Let me know what you think in the comments, and until next time, it's been your boy Lex Money. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.